Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Good morning, everyone! Today is a very exciting day because Max and I are at the amusement park. The sun is shining, and I can hear people laughing and music playing everywhere.
Hi, everyone! I am so happy! This place is huge! Look at all the bright colors and the giant balloons! There is so much to see and do! I want to try every single ride. First, we need to go to the ticket booth at the entrance. We need to buy our tickets to get inside. Look, Lily, the ticket is a small piece of paper, but the lady also gave us a wristband. She said this wristband lets us go on all the rides as many times as we want.
That is perfect! Now, let's look at the park map.
We don't want to get lost. The park has three main areas: the thrill zone, the family fun area, and the water park.
I definitely want to go to the thrill zone first. I want to ride the roller coaster. Look at it. It is as tall as a skyscraper.
And it goes so fast. It looks very scary. It has a big drop, and it even goes upside down in a big loop.
Yes! I am feeling very brave today. Let's go and stand in the queue. Oh, the queue is very long. The sign over there says the waiting time is 45 minutes.
Are you okay with waiting? We can talk and watch the other people. Look! The people on the roller coaster are screaming. They look like they are having so much fun. Ha!
It is finally our turn. Max, the sign says you must leave your backpack and your hat in the locker.
We don't want them to fly away during the ride. The safety bar is coming down across my lap.
Click,
Click!
click.
It feels very tight and very secure. Wow, that was incredible. That was the best thing I have ever done. You were very brave. My stomach feels a little bit funny now.
Let's try something a bit slower and more relaxing. How about the Ferris wheel? That's a great idea.
The Ferris wheel is very big, but it moves slowly in a circle. It is a good way to see the whole park from above. Look, we are at the very top now. It is so quiet up here. I can see the ocean, the mountains, and all the tiny people below us.
Let's take a selfie.
That's a great photo.
I am starting to feel very hungry. All this excitement is making my stomach growl.
Can we get some snacks?
Of course.
There is a food stall right over there. They have everything. What do you want to eat?
I want a big hot dog with mustard and a giant bag of cotton candy. Cotton candy is so fluffy and pink, it looks like a cloud.
I will have a slice of cheese pizza and a cold lemonade with ice.
Let's sit on this bench in the shade and enjoy our lunch.
This hot dog is delicious. Lily, look at that game over there.
It is the ring toss.
Let's try it. I have 3 rings. Oh no, I missed all 3. It is harder than it looks.
My turn. I have a good eye. I did it. The ring stayed on the bottle. I won!
Congratulations, Max. The man is giving you a prize. It's a big, soft, stuffed animal. It's a blue elephant.
He is so cute. I will carry him with me for the rest of the day. Now, let's go to the merry-go-round.
The merry-go-round is so beautiful. It has mirrors and thousands of little lights.
It is getting dark outside now. Look, all the lights in the park are turning on. The roller coaster tracks are glowing, and the castle looks like magic.
Before we go back to the hotel, we must stay for the grand finale. There is a parade with dancers and then the fireworks.
Fireworks. I love them. They are so loud, and they fill the sky with sparkles.
Look, Max. Red, green, gold, and silver. The fireworks are exploding over the castle. It is the perfect end to our day. It was the best day of my vacation.
I am very tired, but I have a big smile on my face.
I am happy too, Max.
Let's review our new amusement park vocabulary.
A roller coaster is a fast, exciting ride with hills and Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel, a giant wheel that gives you a view from high up. Cue, the line of people waiting for their turn. Cotton candy, a sweet, fluffy snack made of sugar. Prize, the gift you get when you win a game. Friends, do you like scary, fast rides, or do you prefer the slow and pretty rides? And what is your favorite thing to eat at a park?
Do you like popcorn, burgers, or ice cream? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed our trip to the amusement park, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English adventures with Lily and Max. We help you learn English the fun way.
I am going to find a taxi now. My elephant and I are ready for bed. Good night, Max. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.